Right, afternoon guys. This is a quick video. We're going to look at designing a board game and doing a working drawing for our board game. We've obviously started making this at school, but I thought a good opportunity to show you how to do a working drawing. We're going to produce the drawing in 3D and then add the details in the next video. I've just put a title up here with some guidelines, so the guidelines help you with your laying out of your title and so on. I just put board games, working drawing. Okay, what we're going to do is move down the page here. We're moving the camera slightly. We're going to start. Hopefully what you've done is you've used the cube drawing video, which will help you with remind yourself of your 3D drawing and so on, and how we go about doing it. But what we're going to do is we're going to start off down here with our crow's foot. Okay, our little crow's foot. It's like an arrow pointing down, like so. Hopefully you can see this. If you can, draw really lightly to start with pencil. What I'm doing is I'm having to draw it slightly darker so you can see it on camera, but we just start off with our arrow pointing down. Right, what we're going to do, I'm going to use a ruler because it makes life a little bit easier. You end up with a need to draw in often. Okay, what we're going to do is our first starting point is to extend all of these lines. This line goes straight up, like so, and then this line coming out here. So all we're doing is we're starting off by drawing a bit of a cuboid. Okay, and this is going to be our main box. Right, line straight up at this side, like so. Coming over this side, do the same again, and they're going straight up. They're all parallel, like so. Right, parallel with this line here, we want to draw a line just down here. So we draw that in. If you draw lightly, if you make a mistake like this where I've gone slightly over, as you can see, if you've drawn lightly and haven't pressed too hard and dented the page, then it should allow you to rub that out quite easily. Okay, I'm just drawing a line up here, connect those up like so, get my rubber, rub that little section out there. Right, at this point we've got our cuboid almost, just got to draw a little hat in on top of that. Looks like a book, as you can see, parallel. So I'm going to draw a line up there, and then parallel with this line here, we're going to draw a line in there. Again, pressing softly to start with. Right, there you can see we've got our cuboid, which is our main box. Right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the lid on this. So the lid, draw a little line in there, and draw a little line in here. Right, next thing I want to do is I'm going to show, because our board slides in, I'm just going to put a hole in the top here, like this, like this. Oops, slightly off, and then draw that in there, draw that in there. Right, I'm going to do a little line down here, and that will then show that there's sort of a hole cut out of the top. There you go. Right, so that is going to be see-through. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take line down there, line down there. I want to create a little opening where the board slide in. So I need to put a shelf in here, like this. We're then going to have a space to store the boards underneath. So I'll show you that. Parallel with this line here, just want to draw a line in there so that that's a shelf. I'm going to put another shelf in here, and then below that I'm going to have one more shelf because they're going to be drawers. Okay, so this one here and this one here are both drawers, and then at the bottom here I'm just going to we're going to draw a base on it. Right, so we've got our lid, we've got our base, we've got 1, 2, 3 shelves. Right, that there, I'm just going to draw a little line in there as well. Like so. Okay, next I'm going to do on this edge at the back there, we want to do finger joints. So I just want to show that detail. I'm going to do it by just drawing a line, having a space, drawing a line, space, try and make the spaces the same distance as the lines, like so. And then parallel with this line here, draw a line, right, now we put the detailing, see that, so we've got the details for the finger joints down here. Okay, what we're now going to do is on these drawers, I'm going to draw a little handle, so I might freehand this. So all I'm going to do is roughly in the centre, draw a little rectangle, then parallel with this line here, so there's my first one coming down here, try and make them roughly the same size. Okay, and there's my drawer handles on there. That's all you need to do for today. So do your warm-up tasks with your cubes to start with, and then we'll create this box and so on. And next lesson what we'll do is we will start adding details, so things like dimensions, labels, telling people about the construction methods we're going to use, labeling the key features, description about how the product works, labeling materials and so on. So all of a sudden it becomes a proper working drawing that someone could take away and make the product from. Thanks for listening today. Hope it helps. Bye.